Hello, everyone. This is Mrs. Wikarska. Many of you have met me already, and I will be teaching French 3 accelerated course this year. I'm going to start with the Google Classroom code so that if you are interested in joining us and seeing all the posts that I post on Google Classroom, the code for this class is 5TGJUCA. So you can join the class. And the best way to contact me, as many of you already know, is through email. And my email is mariana.wikarska@easthathamschools.org. So again, as it was in French 2, in French 3, we continue. The focus is to use the language, speak French all the time in the classroom with me and also with other students. We're going to be reading Vive le Torrent, which is a very short novel, and Le Petit Prince, which is actually going to be in its original language. And it's going to require a lot of detailed translation and the story of, I don't know if you know about the story, it has a lot of deep meaningful messages, and we're going to be discussing all of that in French. There is a lot of grammar in French 3 that will be explained in English because we have different tenses and we're doing comparison between English and French. But for the rest of the communication, all of that will be done in French. Evaluation is based on 4 categories: writing, speaking, and listening, reading comprehension, structure, and content. That's exactly how it was done last year. So let's say if the homework is learn the vocabulary, the new vocab, and I will give a quiz on the new vocab, it's going to go into the category structure and content. And whether it is homework and it's a new vocabulary, it would go into the same category. Okay, so I hope I will get to see you again, maybe next year. And contact me if you have any questions or concerns. And have a good rest of the day. Bye-bye.